guys, today is Saturday and I am going to David's Bridal so that my sister, the maid of honor, can try on her dress. I don't know if I want to give her a different dress or if she's going to use the same dress that the bridesmaids use, but just wanted to take you guys along for today's shenanigans with mom and my sister. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and keep watching. That's me. This is so cute. By the other bride.
Where's the dresses?
Right there. So this is dress one. I mean, my bridesmaids already have their dress, but we're just trying to find a dress for maid of honor. So this one is super cute.
This actually is not bad.
This one's not bad.
Actually not bad, especially you know me, I'm a bargain shopper. So I guess not bad. Can you picture me up there like?
Okay. And the hair's gonna be pulled back. How's it doing hair?
Are you gonna cry?
You about to marry my sister. That's what this is.
This dress is not it.
Y'all sick.
Yes, it's very boxy, guys. I don't like it. But the back is cute.
The back is cute.
Yeah, I think that's why we picked it out.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like this one.
No.
The tents are fitting.
Next.
What size
Okay,
is that?
fun
That's
fact.
a 4.
This is not really a fun fact, but this is the original dress that I wanted the
that's the
bridesmaids to have. This particular material, and this is not the one that they got.
I like
The
that.
lady told us to get another
pretty.
one, but this one is pretty. Hi.
I think someone. This one would be so uncomfortable.
Yeah, this one is not.
Yeah.
It's not cute on.
I was liking the idea,
idea
of
of the
off the
shoulder, yeah.
off the shoulders, because LaMonicas a little off the shoulders too. That's how you feel.
Yes.
Statue of Liberty.
What?
So this is like, pull it back in the back so that it can tighten up a bit. Yeah. So this is the dress
Like,
that the bridesmaids are wearing.
why would you like this big like that?
No, it's hanging down.
You can see it.
I know it's hanging. Oh my gosh.
This is the next one. Come on, Jazz, be serious. This is the next one.
Is the backpack on?
Girl said,
I like the sparkle on here for sure.
I cannot believe that one. That's.
maybe I can wear this one. But they said mom's wearing the champagne.
Don't
Maybe
go
I
to the
can-
back, Monica.
The
Maybe
back
I
is
can wear
really
this
cute.
one. Oh, that's okay.
Was that on the plan?
Yeah, it said 50% off.
This is giving mom.
Oh, really?
This
This could give mom. It's the little cleavy.
Yeah, this is not fitting you.
Yeah, I probably can fit it.
No, not fit wise. I mean,
I'll
like,
take you on a party ride. Come on, girl.
your mom wants to play around in dresses that.
Teach you. She said, hey, this how we gonna be at the wedding? You gotta practice.
Make sure ain't nothing popping out.
Make sure nothing's popping out.
Ain't nothing moving but this one. Little parking lot over here. It must be crowded.
All right, y'all. So we are now finished at David's Bridal 2 hours later. We did say yes to the bridesmaid dress. Mom is still looking for her dress. Now we are going to check out a venue for my bridal shower and see if we're going to say yes to this venue. So let's go. beautiful.
Where we got the oysters from, they were like, I think it was like Acme or something like that. And this one,
Happy Tuesday, you guys. Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. This is the greenest I've ever had my smoothie look. So let me show you guys what this smoothie looks like. It's a smoothie bowl that I'm making, and I'll show you guys what I used. So yes, if you're new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And let me show you this real quick. So this is the, let's kind of ward off. So this is the Fit and Wellness fruit and veggie blend. It has spinach, mango, apples, and pineapples. So I use this. They come individually bagged, so the bags are like this. And then I just used a half of that bag so that I can put it on my smoothie bowl. And look how green this came out. So pretty. This is the greenest I've ever. And I added a scoop of my Timmy Blends green superfood blend. You guys know I talk about this all the time. It has matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass. So I am excited about this bowl. So let's go ahead, pour this out. I'm trying not to take too long because it'll melt quickly. So I'm gonna put some blueberries on here. Trying to do this with one hand while making it look presentable. I'm gonna put some blueberries, strawberries, and bananas. I may put some coconut. Maybe I'll just do blueberries and strawberries. And we'll see how this goes. Not bad. So I added some coconut flakes, blueberries, strawberries, a drizzle, a little honey, and some cashews just to add a little bit of a texture. I think these have a little bit of salt on it, but we're gonna see how this all tastes together. But it's so cute. Y'all probably tired of me making smoothie bowls, but it is what it is. They're good, especially after a good workout like I had this morning. So yes, give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing my what I eat in a day type videos or just vlogs as a whole. And yeah, I'll see you guys later when I show you my lunch. So it is now lunchtime, and I want to show you guys how I meal prep. Sorry, I'm thawing out some chicken, but this is how I put the meal preps in these containers. So I made some like Chipotle bowls, like my own spin on it, because you know, just so I can know what I'm eating and intaking and stuff like that. But so I'm gonna have one of these. The purpose of a meal prep is so it can be really quick, especially when I'm in between meetings like I am today. So I'm gonna quickly heat this up and add the toppings and then show you guys what it looks like at the end. This is some pico. This is some pico that I made. I have some corn under here. I also am gonna be adding some cheese, and I think that's all I have on hand. And oh, let me show you guys the medium salsa that they usually have with the tomatillo. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Let me show you that real quick. And so here it is. I roasted everything. I blended it up in my processor, and it looks just like the Chipotle one. So I had Chipotle a couple days ago, and I was like, that's what I want to have for throughout the week. And I think it looks very similar to it. Let me know what you think, if it looks similar. Let me show you the leftover that I had from Chipotle to compare. But this is the Chipotle one. I had some left over. Theirs is a little more watery, but I could just add more lemon or lime juice to it. Lemon juice, but this is very close. I roasted my vegetables a long time because I wanted them to be, but not too bad for that to be my first time making this tomatillo, like medium salsa. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this bowl together because I only have a few minutes before my meeting, and I'll show you guys the finished result. Listen, Chipotle ain't got nothing on me. This is the corn. I added some of the pico in there. Added a dollop of, it looks like a lot, but it's not, just a dollop of whipped cream, my medium salsa, the pico, and then the chicken on top of the rice. Y'all, this is about to get devoured. I'm so hungry. So yeah, make your own Chipotle bowls. I'm serious. And I have some leftover vinaigrette that I'm just gonna drizzle right on top. So that is my lunch today. Okay, sorry if you can hear the TV in the background, but I just wanted to show my little charcuterie board. So this is Gouda cheese, the everything but the bagel little Tostito things, or bagel chips I should say. These are like bagel chips by Stacy's. This is all I could find at my local grocery store. And I also have, so that's the everything ones. This is the roasted garlic. This cheese, I hope I have the clip up, but I saw Natural Nisi and her friend Jasmine pull this out, and I actually saw Dior as well from DK4L saying that this was good. Some salami, some cheddar cheese, and strawberries. So just small little charcuterie for dinner for me tonight, and some leftover cab. Comment down below if you like cheese. So here's the thing. Before the fanciness became a trend, I was like eating slices of cheese, like individually wrapped, like Kraft cheese, like back in the day. Just eat the cheese by itself because I love cheese. But now being an adult, and I do like wine and all that, wine and cheese and dessert and fruit, really good. So I'm gonna have this for dinner, and yeah, I'm just gonna treat myself to this because I worked out hard this morning and I couldn't believe it that I woke up early to do that. Usually I work out in the afternoon, which is now around like 7 in the 7 o'clock hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. But yeah, comment down below if you like cheese, wine, charcuterie boards, and all that stuff. Let me know down below. So I'll see you guys later. I'm wrapping up today. Today is Tuesday, and I may continue on the week or I may just stop it here. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.